Hi, this is Natasha Lara Lewis from Esther's Place, and today we'll be telling you the story of Maude. Maude is a very special chicken. She lived in the chicken coop over on the other side of the property, but unfortunately it had fallen into some disrepair, being one of the older buildings on our property back from the 1800s. And one night, she and her other chickens were hanging out, doing their little chicken thing, and a predator snuck in. Now, we live close to a creek, so there's a lot of wildlife here, and I think somebody was a little hungry for chicken that night. So they snuck into the chicken coop, and they wreaked havoc and scared the chickens, but even worse, they killed most of the chickens. And so Maude, being a very brave chicken, ended up playing dead. And in doing so, she was able to actually live and survive. She was the only one who survived. She's so smart and so brave, and after that incident, she was very scared. She wasn't sure what was safe anymore, and she wanted just to be, sure that she was going to be watched and cared for and safe again. So she came over here to the barn, and here she lives now with the sheep. She hangs out. I've seen her on top of the sheep before, and she likes to hang out with them, and she just wanders around the farm, taking and looking at everything, eating the worms, finding food, and she's just the most wonderful, loving chicken, even though she suffered all of that loss and all of that, anxiety. So this is Maude, but I wanted just to make sure that you had a chance to hear her wonderful story. And it's a story of hope, it's a story of perseverance, it's a story of bravery. And she's just the most amazing little chicken, and she definitely is a spirited little gal. We love her to pieces. So that is Maude, the brave chicken warrior, and the patron, let's see, was she the farm mascot Maude. So thanks for joining me so you could hear the story of Maude today.